Hey, welcome back. Today is laundry day, and I'm in my laundry room, which is in need of a renovation. And so I wanted to give you a little bit of a look, heads up view as far as what's going on in here. Now you see this backdrop here? This is part of the renovation. Hasn't happened yet, but there was a nasty table all along this wall that's been there for about 10 years. And I just said, it has to go. It has to go. We had paint stored underneath, but this room looked hideous before. All right, so this place is going to get a little bit of renovation. It's had one so far. The one you see up at the ceiling, this is a LED panel light, and they will work really, really well. Create a lot of light. So usually I hit that, I come into this laundry room, and my eyes are just like, oh man, it's too bright, it's too bright. So besides that, there's also a little bit of natural light that comes in during the day. But this room was in need of help. So the renovation is going to happen this week. I have 4 days to get it done before we actually go on a family trip. So wish me luck. It's not a big room, but it's going to be interesting. I have the scope of work all laid out. We're probably going to leave the floors as is since it's going to be such a small floor area. But there's going to be storage, and the room's going to come out a different color. And that door behind me, that wasn't there too. That's upgrade number 2. It's a louver door. Louver doors are what you need for utility rooms to make sure the air can come in and out for air conditioning. So before that was not a louver door, so fix that or switch that out so it has to get painted and change the light. But there's more in store, so stay tuned for how everything turns out. I'll try to give you progress and updates, but stay tuned. All right, see you soon.